exchangers, cold and hot fluid flow through the unit without mixing with each other. The transfer of heat occurs through the metal wall. Examples of recuperative heat exchangers are boilers, heaters, coolers, vaporizers, condensers, etc. Regenerative type of heat exchangers. Same heating surface is alternately exposed to hot and cold fluid. Heat associated with hot fluid is stored or absorbed by pickings or solids. The hot fluid supply is then shut off and cold fluid is passed over pickings or solids to regenerate the heat. Example of such type of heat exchangers is regenerators of open hearth furnace, glass melting furnace, etc. Recuperative and regenerative units can also be called as surface condensers. In direct contact type of heat exchangers, hot and cold fluids are in direct contact and mixing occurs among them during the process of heat transfer. Mass transfer also occurs simultaneously.